Is it the right time to buy or sell Intel stock? In this video, we'll be taking a deep dive into Intel. We initially published our report on our website on Wednesday, January 3, 2024, and now we're here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Don't forget to subscribe, like this video, and turn on notifications to stay up to date with our latest analysis. You wouldn't want to miss any important updates that could impact your investments. Improve your trading decisions by trying out our newly launched AI stock analysis tool, powered by GPT-4, at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and receive free price predictions and in-depth analysis for any of the 25,000 companies worldwide today. Please keep in mind that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Since November 3, 2023, our system has ranked Intel as a hold/accumulate, giving it a score of 0.49. Now, let's dive into the stock's performance during this period. Surpassing our expectations, Intel has experienced a remarkable gain of 23.36% since we first recommended buying it 41 days ago. This means an average return of 0.57% per day since it was listed as hold/accumulate. The stock is currently in the midst of a strong upward trend in the short term, indicating a potential further rise. Based on the 3-month trend, there is a projected 42.29% change in the next 3 months, with potential returns ranging from 32.86% to 56.51%. Looking at the 12-month trend, there is a projected 48.62% change in the next year, with potential returns ranging from 12.43% to 61.18%. This implies a price range of $52.90 to $75.84 after 1 year. Today's update on Intel brings a headline, Red Day on Wednesday for Intel. On Wednesday, January 3, 2024, the Intel stock price experienced a decline of 1.57%, dropping from $47.80 to $47.05. This marks the 4th consecutive day of decline. Throughout the trading day, the stock had a fluctuation of 2.16%, ranging from a low of $46.80 to a high of $47.81. Over the past 2 weeks, the price has been volatile, resulting in a 2.98% gain. It's worth noting that the decrease in trading volume aligns with the stock's decline, which can be seen as a positive sign. On the last day, trading volume decreased by 10 million shares, with a total of 36 million shares bought and sold, equivalent to approximately $1.68 billion. Looking at the past 52 weeks, the highest stock price reached $51.28, while the lowest price was $24.73. Currently, the stock price is 8.24%, or $4.23, below the 52-week high and 32.1%, or $22.24, below the all-time high on January 24, 2020, when it reached $69.29. Here are some recent analyst ratings for Intel. On Monday, December 18, 2023, Needham upgraded Intel to a neutral grade. On Friday, December 15, 2023, Deutsche Bank also upgraded Intel to a neutral grade. Similarly, on the same day, Bank of America Securities gave Intel a neutral grade as well. Going back to Wednesday, December 6, 2023, KGI Securities upgraded Intel to an outperform grade. Lastly, on Thursday, November 16, 2023, Telsey Advisory gave Intel a buy grade. Analysts have given Intel stock a general rating of buy. They highly recommend the PE ratio and price to book, both receiving a rating of strong buy. However, when it comes to return on investment, the analysts have given the stock a rating of neutral. In this video, we will discuss the signals identified for Intel stock. Currently, the short-term moving average suggests a sell signal for Intel stock. However, the long-term average indicates a buy signal. As the short-term average is above the long-term average, there is an overall buy signal for the stock, which forecasts a positive outlook. If the stock continues to rise, it may encounter resistance at the short-term moving average around $49.25. Conversely, if the stock falls, it may find support at the long-term average near $44.80. Crossing above the short-term average would trigger a buy signal, while crossing below the long-term average would trigger a sell signal. Additionally, the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, MACD, also indicates a buy signal. However, there have been some negative signals that could potentially influence the near short-term development of the stock. One of these signals was a sell signal issued from a pivot top point on December 27, 2023, resulting in a 7.31% decline so far. It is expected to continue falling until a new bottom pivot is found. Notably, the volume of trading decreased along with the price on the last trading day, which reduces overall risk as volume tends to follow price movements. Let's explore some other signals that might catch your interest. Moving average convergence divergence, it's a buy signal. Pivots, we had a sell signal 5 days ago. Bollinger, there was a buy signal 5 days ago. Short-term moving average, we observed a sell signal 3 days ago. Long-term moving average, a buy signal occurred 45 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages indicated a buy signal 42 days ago. Now, let's take a look at the 12-month chart. The short moving average gave a buy signal 18 days ago. The long-term moving average also provided a buy signal 47 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages showed a buy signal 192 days ago. If you're interested in discovering more signals, be sure to visit our page at StockInvest.us. Support, risk, and stop loss for Intel. When looking at Intel's stock, it's important to consider the support it has from accumulated volume at $46.16. This support level presents a potential buying opportunity, as we can expect an upwards reaction when it is being tested. However, it's also worth noting that this stock can be considered high risk due to its volatility. The Bollinger Band indicates a large prediction interval, meaning the stock may experience significant movement throughout the day. In fact, during the last day, the stock had a $1.01 difference between its high and low, which accounted for 2.16% of its value. Looking at the past week, the stock has had an average daily volatility of 2.28%. Before we explore potential trading levels for Intel, let's quickly go over some essential fundamental data. First, let's talk about the price-to-earnings ratio, or PE ratio. This ratio measures a company's current share price in relation to its per-share earnings. A negative PE ratio indicates that the company is experiencing losses or is not generating profits. Established companies may face downturns due to external factors, but consistently negative PE ratios may suggest insufficient profitability and potential bankruptcy risks. Now, moving on to the latest news, the Q4 2023 earnings report is scheduled to be released on January 25, 2024. Analysts' consensus estimates for earnings are at $0.430. These figures can significantly impact stock prices, so it's important to keep an eye on them. Today, let's delve into some potential day trading levels for Intel. In the event of an upward trend, the first resistance level for Intel stands at $47.80. If you're not currently holding any shares, it might be wise to wait until this level is surpassed before entering a position. However, for those who already possess the stock, this could be a level worth considering for swing trading. On the flip side, if Intel experiences a downward movement, it encounters its first support level at $46.16. Should this support level hold, it could present a favorable entry point, with the expectation of a rebound. The consensus rating for Intel, according to multiple analyst sources, is buy. Now, let's explore some recent insider trades. On December 22, 2023, Patrick P. Gelsinger, an insider, purchased 13,063 shares of common stock. On December 22, 2023, Patrick P. Gelsinger, another insider, sold 6,477 shares of common stock. On December 22, 2023, Patrick P. Gelsinger, once again, sold 13,063 shares of restricted stock units. On December 3, 2023, David Zinsner, an insider, purchased 5,283 shares of restricted stock units. On December 3, 2023, Christoph Schell, another insider, purchased 5,283 shares of restricted stock units. Based on the 100 most recent insider trades, the insider power is calculated to be negative with a ratio of -8.773. Overall, insiders have bought 338,672 shares and sold 407,312 shares in the last 100 trades. Our recommended stop loss for this stock is set at $44.33, which represents a decrease of 5.78%. This particular stock experiences significant daily movements, resulting in higher risk for investors. Additionally, we have observed a sell signal from a pivot top that was identified 4 days ago. Is it a good time to invest in Intel stock? While Intel does show some positive signs, it may not be the best buy candidate at the moment. We recommend considering it as a hold or accumulate position for now, as we await further developments. Upon analyzing recent market volatility and movements, our system suggests that the current price is undervalued. Looking ahead to Thursday, January 4th, we anticipate Intel to open with a $0.170 increase at $47.22. Before we get started, it's important to remember that trading comes with a high risk of losing money. It's always a good idea to consult with a financial advisor before making any decisions to buy or sell securities. Please note that StockInvest.us should not be the sole basis for your investment choices. By utilizing the information provided, you acknowledge and take responsibility for your own investment decisions. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Comment below and share your thoughts. What is your target for the stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and have a beautiful day with regards from all of us here at Stock Invest.